Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
Haka Sien ke Nyngkong ke Jela Meghalaya, ke Rakhe ya ke International Human Rights Day. Ne kasni ke Bay bat ka hok long breu man breu, ya ke bala pelong da ke Meghalaya Human Rights Commission. Haka sipotrek mentau benai nopra arjar katpra hayujana bhavan Shillong. Haka ni ke Rakhe ulat ke Jela. Utatha gata roy ulalong kongsang bat haka jingkran jang u ulaong balada dan kanu ke jing penkhen ya ka hok long breu man breu ki bor badai khmi ki dei ban husiar bha haka ju ka por ban long ki bakit khle haba ki ya chakman bat ki kam jangki ulat ka jala ulai thoro banado bala thaw ya ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission house nam arja kan reu layo priang komba kan reu tli ki jing ujor hadu menta Nakalyang chairperson jang ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission u Dr. Justice Aftab Hussein Saikia habakran hakani ke jelang laong baka jing penkhen ya ka hok long breu man breu kaya ja man la kasngi namar ki breu kim tieng ne buram shu ya ka an hakani kasngi la yoru ka jingkran na udkhot jong ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission u PGP Hanaman u R Chandranat u belong u Director General of Police ka jela Meghalaya u B Bhattacharji u badai u Additional Advocate General ka jela bat kiwei
I greet all of you on this auspicious Human Rights Day, the day the United Nations General Assembly adopted a resolution to this effect in 1948 as the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. This year, Human Rights Day marks the 70th anniversary of the Universal Declaration, which is a milestone document. I am delighted to know that Meghalaya is the third state in the northeast to have its own commission after Assam and Tripura. I have already worked in Tripura and I have mentioned Tripura, but I don't think that is correct because Sikkim also has a human rights commission. Since its formation on the 16th of July 2016, this commission has been able to take up as many as 16 cases, which also includes suo motu cases. I also learned that MHRC, that is Meghalaya Human Rights Commission, has been able to conduct about 8 awareness programs all over the state of Meghalaya during its span of 2 years of service. I express my sincere thanks to the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission for visiting the district jail in Shillong on the 15th of March 2008 with necessary recommendations to the state government. Incidentally, my childhood was spent in the neighborhood of that jail, not inside it of course, but in lower jail at the age of 8. I urge upon the members of the Commission to scale up the various types of awareness activities, which include both electronic and print media, to highlight the importance of human rights issues. Before concluding, I would like to pay my tributes to certain people in India and abroad who have fought for human rights. Because human rights violations in neighboring countries have caused ingress of people to India. The most recent case is the violation of human rights of Rohingyas in Myanmar. As a result of that, of course, Bangladesh is the worst affected country, but a lot of Rohingyas have entered India, and it's not very good news. There is possibility of their being radicalized and becoming a threat to the Indian state.